Probably top 3 best bands ever in that type of music genre.
Yeah, I can see that argument.
Name me a song that they write that's not good.
Yeah.
It's kind of like AC/DC, you know, in the 80s. Like, name me a song that AC/DC writes that's not good. All right, down to the start cone. Andrew Mills and Brett Shepard with the green flag.
Moves here. There's still some race lead 2-1-2. See if Brett Shepard can get the run that back straightaway. He will, and he will clear Andrew Mills for that lead. They're still side by side for third back there between Tyler Hoover and Keegan Russell. Mills going to look back to the inside of the race leader.
Yeah, you got a 5 back at them right here. All of these drivers have all won features here at the Speedway. Brett Shepard right now is your race leader. Keegan Russell in that 751 car pushes ahead of Andrew Mills. Mills now looks back to the outside. Russell does have it clear though. Takes that 7th spot now for Russell to win.
Those drivers nice win early, and now here comes Keegan Russell to the inside of your race leader. Battle for the lead is on. They're 2 right behind as well.
Keegan Russell down to the bottom side of Brett Shepard. Outback's put on a little bit of a race here. Doing a good job here. 8.5 laps to go. Now Akers slides up into that 4th spot. Mills back to 5th. Brett Shepard right now doing a good job in that 98 car. Side by side with Russell now in front of right there on the race van 1 and 2. Russell's looking to do the drive. Not going to happen. Now here comes the 2-7. Hoover, former track team here at the Speedway. 27 car. Hoover's got a lot of speed in it and cadence. You need to hold your line. Hold your line, 99. It means hold your line.
I believe might have a tire down from that contact and see if she can limp it off the Speedway.
I think she's through.
Caution will come out.
Shoot.
Brett Shepard going to lead them back to the green here, waiting for the orange cone. And we are racing. I don't know if he missed a shift. I think he just took a while to shift there. Man, it was like he got a speed boost there from the bumper off the nose. Tyler Hoover and Keegan Russell was out.
Hoover right now trying to pick up a $350 check, as he looks to be the fastest car on the Speedway, right in the tire tracks of Brett Shepard. Hoover's going to have to try to pass on the low side though.
Another one that could have been way bigger. Let's see, I believe that
Scheimer.
Oh, it's Scheimer.
Longatinus into the back of Scheimer.
Questionable driving, as you can imagine. And what are we doing? No, it's double wide restart, yeah. Well, I think. All right, we're back racing. We have 5 left.
Rotating top side of Speedway, gonna try to diamond off over just a bit here. Russell doesn't get a drive as Mills now back to the outside of Russell. And then there were 5, Cole. Into 3 and 4, Brett Shepard still your race leader, Hoover right there as well.
Between Russell and Mills. And then the leaders coming right away. On the back straightaway, looks like Mills is going to have to run on Russell. He will take that 3rd spot away. Hoover right on the back bumper of your race leader. Going to try to cut down out of 4. Will he be able to draw alongside your race leader? He will. Back to the line. Side by side once again for 3rd. But we are going to watch the battle of the race lead. Hoover trying to make that bottom side work. Shepard going to have to run down the back straightaway. He will take that race lead right back as they are still side by side for 3rd.
Into 3 and 4 now, Brett Shepard right there. Maintain that race lead. The same line. Mills. Oh, Russell, slide job, slide job!
And once again, look at him. They're shaking and baking. No, he's shaking bake the bumper.
Oh, gave the chrome horn too much. Bumper's coming off.
Hopefully that
Into 1 and 2. Blow it off. Somebody run out there quick.
No, do not do that. Things, as we've seen. As they work their way out of 4. All right, we're back under green. Into 1 and 2.
This guy's down the long side of him. He's got that on the line for Mills. Mills is going to go back to the outside of Russell down the back straightaway. Brett Shepard trying to run and hide on this one. We've got a lap and a half to go. Like I said, Hoover's going to have to get around and going to have to try a different line. Mills, though, nice run there into 3. Off the corner, white flag is out. 1 4 time out. And Hoover can't move. 1 to go.
Hoover can get to his inside, down the back straightaway. Compact slide job. Not going to have the run he's looking for. Will there be a last-ditch effort in 3 and 4 as they come into the corner? One final time, Hoover going to be respectable, and he's going to dive down to the inside. We'd like to see a drag race to the line here. Hoover has a run. $350 payday. Second will go to Tyler Hoover. 3rd at the line was Keegan.